Today's world moves fast, and it's only getting faster. Costs are rising, and many people are seeking new ways to earn a living and secure their future. Making money online is no longer just a dream, it's a real solution for many, offering diverse opportunities. The internet offers incredible opportunities that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. You can work from anywhere, anytime, whether it's a bustling city or a serene countryside. Whether you want extra income or a whole new career, it's possible with the right approach and dedication. Earning online can provide flexibility and freedom, empowering you to take control of your finances and your life. So, start exploring this exciting world and discover the endless possibilities that await you. In today's interconnected world, e-business is not just an option, it's a necessity for staying competitive. It allows businesses to reach a global audience, breaking down geographical barriers and expanding their reach. Consumers are increasingly turning to online platforms for convenience, variety, and better deals. E-business provides valuable data insights, helping businesses make informed decisions and strategize effectively. Embracing e-business can lead to significant growth and success in today's digital age, opening new doors. With countless resources available, learning and adapting to e-business is easier than ever before. Networking and collaboration opportunities are vast, connecting you with like-minded individuals and potential partners. The tools and technologies at your disposal are constantly evolving, making e-business more accessible and efficient. So, take the leap and unlock your earning potential with e-business today, and watch your dreams become reality. There are numerous e-business models, each requiring different skills and effort. It's crucial to find a model that matches your skills and interests. Popular e-business models include freelancing, e-commerce, and online courses. Freelancing offers diverse gigs such as writing, graphic design, or virtual assistants. E-commerce involves selling products through online platforms. Creating and selling online courses allows you to share your knowledge and expertise. To find the right e-business model, assess your skills, interests, and the market demand. Attend webinars and join online communities to gain insights and advice. Read success stories and case studies to understand what works. Develop a solid business plan and set up your online presence. Continuously analyze market trends and adjust your strategies accordingly. Celebrate your milestones and learn from feedback to keep growing. Navigating the online world can feel overwhelming. Step 1. Gather reliable and affordable information. Step 2. Acquire the right knowledge to make a difference. Step 3. Use high-quality information to avoid common pitfalls and make informed decisions. Step 4. Look for resources that offer practical advice and proven strategies. Step 5. Invest in yourself through education. Step 6. Seek out courses, ebooks, or mentorship programs to accelerate your journey. Step 7. Set clear goals and create a vision for your online business. Step 8. Celebrate your milestones and learn from your experiences. Step 9. Continuously update your business plan and network with other entrepreneurs. Step 10. Reflect on your journey and always be open to new ideas and improvements. Starting an online business or side hustle can be daunting. Many people feel overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information and the fear of failure. That's where E-Biz Guru Hub comes in. We simplify the process and provide a clear path to success. We provide essential tools and resources to help you launch your e-business. Our platform is designed to be user-friendly and accessible. Our platform offers comprehensive guides, step-by-step tutorials, and expert insights. These resources are crafted by industry experts to ensure you get the best advice. We cover various online business models, digital marketing strategies, and income-generating techniques. Whether you want to start a blog, an e-commerce store, or a consulting business, we have you covered. E-Biz Guru Hub is designed for everyone, from beginners to experienced entrepreneurs. Our resources grow with you as you advance in your business journey. We believe everyone deserves the opportunity to unlock their online earning potential. Join us today and take the first step towards your online business success. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. It's natural to feel apprehensive when starting something new. But remember, every great journey begins with a single step. The online world is full of possibilities waiting to be discovered. From e-commerce to digital marketing, the opportunities are endless. You just need to take the initiative to explore them. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Imagine the freedom of being your own boss and setting your own hours. The potential is limitless if you take the first step. Take the first step by visiting E-Biz Guru Hub. Our platform is designed to guide you every step of the way. We provide the tools and resources you need to succeed. Explore our free resources and discover the wealth of knowledge available. From tutorials to webinars, we have everything you need to get started. Knowledge is power, and we are here to empower you. We are here to support you every step of the way. Our community of experts is always ready to help. You are never alone on this journey. Your future is in your hands. Take control and shape your destiny. The choices you make today will define your tomorrow. Embrace the digital age and empower yourself to achieve financial independence. The tools and resources are at your fingertips. All you need is the determination to succeed. Look at the success stories of those who started just like you. They took the leap and never looked back. Their success can be your inspiration. Take action today and make your first move towards success. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start now and watch your dreams unfold. Building an online income stream takes time and effort. It requires dedication, patience, and a willingness to learn and adapt. The journey may be long, but the rewards are worth every bit of effort you put in. Many have faced challenges and emerged victorious. Their stories are a testament to the power of perseverance and hard work. These individuals have shown that with the right mindset, anything is possible. Stay motivated and focused on your goals. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to your dreams. Consistency and determination are key to overcoming obstacles and achieving success. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Each victory is a building block towards your ultimate goal. Recognizing and appreciating these moments will keep you inspired and driven. Each milestone is a step closer to your ultimate vision. These milestones are not just markers of progress, but also sources of motivation. They remind you of how far you've come and how much closer you are to your dreams. The journey of online entrepreneurship is rewarding and fulfilling. It offers not just financial rewards, but also personal growth and satisfaction. The skills and knowledge you gain along the way are invaluable. Embrace the challenges, learn from your experiences, and never stop striving for success. Each challenge is an opportunity to grow and improve. They shape you into a more resilient and capable entrepreneur. Your future in e-business holds limitless potential. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination and determination. Dream big and work hard to turn those dreams into reality. Visualize your success, plan your steps carefully, and take action. Your future starts now, and it is filled with opportunities waiting to be seized. The time to act is today, and the future is yours to create.